dear friends, thank you for dropping by and watch my video. My name is Zuvi. Let me show you how I create resin keychains. Let's make resin alphabet keychain with mold. I use 2 by 1 ratio resin to make resin craft. For example, 20-gram resin and 10-gram hardener. I bought this digital kitchen food weighing scale for you can buy online. Check link in bio if you want to buy. Mix resin and hardener until it's properly mixed and looks clear like water again. Stir for approximately 5 minutes. Now take alphabet mold and put resin mixer in A-shape mold. Put resin with slow and with care. Always wear gloves because raw resin may create health issues. Also keep the windows open and wear mask. Keep kids away while you mixing and drying process. First time I spilled all resin on floor. You can use silicone resin beaker. Now you can put different props in resin. I added micro crystal stones found in market to give ocean look. Adjust them at the bottom of alphabet with help of plastic stick or toothpick. Then add shells on upper part of alphabet. I bought these shell from market with very low prices. You can find them in local market or on gift shop or aquarium. It gives ocean look to the keychain. Now time to add gold foil with toothpick. I use toothpick rather than fancy equipment because it's easy to use and cost effective. Keep the mold for 24 hours to dry. Before moving ahead, please like and subscribe my channel so I can share more craft ideas with you when you are most expecting. Now, gently pull the alphabet out of the mold and check for any damage or inconsistency. You can peel the edges for smoothness. I will show you that in next video. How's that? Do you like the keychain? Please let me know in comment section. You can also message me for orders India wide. Now I drilled it with a micro drilling machine. This drilling machine is available online. I will add a link in bio for you. Yes, you have to buy many small things before you start resin work, but once you're set with these equipment, you are good to go. Put a hook pin screw in alphabet gently and it's ready to fix with keyring. Do not put pressure on hook, otherwise it can break into the keychain. I will advise to drill and screw when you take out from mold because even after 24 hours, it is still 2% soft. Now time to add keyring in keychain. Now with help of a ring, add butterfly and tassel in keyring. Gently add them in keyrings with small rings. I add them with bare fingers, but you can use small instruments like needle, nose, plier. You can choose silver or golden rings depending on your choice. I use silver rings when I add silver foil and gold rings when I have added golden foils in keychain. It gives consistency in design. There are multiple tassels available in market. You can choose as per your choice. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Please do let me know your thoughts in comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.